this Rome tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in Dubai. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, open this link in description and open this website. Okay, this is the best website, and click on this. Get unlimited roaming data. International eSIM across 150 plus countries. Okay, click on this where you traveling to and write Dubai. Alright, Dubai unlimited data eSIM, and click on this and open new page. Alright, this price 50% discount, and choice data type, unlimited data or fixed data, and click on unlimited. Choose a speed plan, light or plus, and click on light. 1 day, 3 day, 5 days, 7 day, 10 day, 20, 25 and 30 days. Alright, and click on 30 days. Light speed, unlimited data, $145.95, and click on plus. Oh, this is nice. And click on this plus speed. Buy 2 eSIM, discount 4 eSIM, 6 SIM. Alright, quantity and 1 or 2 or 3 or 5. Alright, 1, and click on add to cart, and this delete. Click on 1, 30 days, unlimited data and speed plus, Dubai data eSIM. Alright, and write discount code ROM tips, and click on apply. Discount and this, nice, and click on check out. Write your contact email, text me with news offers, and payment and card number, write, and date, security code, name of card, billing address, first name, last name, address, postal code, city, phone, and click on pay now. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.